Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku number 9138. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always one. Only one single box, always a one. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Duo boxes contains the 1 and 2. Well, we have here a duo box. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Let me scan. No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? No quadra boxes here. Well, then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape, upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. 5, okay. That box has the same number as this box, okay. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box, okay. T shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Here another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw this L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. Is connected with that box, should be a solve for 5. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be also 4. This one is also connected with that box, should be also a 4. Then these two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and the 3. Well, we have a double 2 there. I cannot place the 2 here. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes and here. Then 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1. Then, come on. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box, so should be also 2 and 3. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Come on, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area, supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Can be a 4, so 1 digit left should be the 5. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 no more. That box should be a 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be there. Then let me see. Well, 3, 5, 5. Okay. 1. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. Well, 4, 2, 3. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. No, 3 and the... We have a 5 here. 3 and a 2. 3 and a 2. Well. Come on. The hard part. This is the hard part. 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here. Could be there then. Okay. I need a 2 here. 2 and 3. Come on, this is taking too long. Overlook this 2. I've marked those 2 boxes already. 2, we have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 4, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 3, and 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. This box can be 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, could be 2, could be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. 2 and a 3 is connected with that box, 2 and 3. But we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 and more. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers, 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area, 4 numbers, 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then let me see. Come on. Well. 2, 3. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Need those numbers. Yeah. 4, 2, 3. I need a 4 here. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 2. Well, if this is a 2, then these 2 boxes can be 2, so this box could be 2. If this is a 3, then these 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, so the 2 or 3 here. Here also 2 and 3, so we need a 5 there. Well. Well, if this is 2, then those 2 boxes can be 2, so this box should be a 2. If this box is a 3, then those 2 boxes can be a 3, so that box should be a 3. So it can be a 5 here. Okay, so the only place level 5 in this area is supposed to be there then. So here 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 3. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 there. 5 should be here. Well, it's complicated. So 1 digit left in this area. Could be 2 and a 3 here. Yep, 2 and a 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, this box can be 1, can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 here. Could be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left, the 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Come on, come on, come on. I'm overlook something. Give me 5. 1, 2. Could be a 3. Could be a 4. 4 could be everywhere here. Well, I need those numbers here. I need those numbers. Otherwise, I cannot fill those yet. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. Well. This box can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers left, 1 and a 2. 1, 4. Oh, I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. 2, 3. Overlooked is 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Overlooked. So those 2 boxes are left for the numbers 2 and 3. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2 or 3. The 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, so 3. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. Took me a little bit more time. But we solved it again, and I like this one, so really good. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.